How do? What am I doing today? Oh, I might need your help on this one. How do? How do? Hey, hey. I've got these chairs off Dave Pinder. There we are. I've had them, blimey, well over 6 months, I think. Right, now the problem I'm having is there's no workings out underneath. There is 4 holes here. There. Same on the bottom. But there are holes. Where are we? So, anyway, I've done this a couple of times now and I'm getting fed up to take a bloody chair out. That's the problem I've got. It's the same thickness and width, but different. Anyway, it's different. These won't go under. Oh, what am I on about? When I take it off, all this is actually attached to this. It's all in the framework and everything. But I need to get that off enough to raise the other seat, you know what I mean, up to the height. I just don't know what to do. So anyway, what did we come up with? Maybe work, I don't know. But it means I'm going to risk buggering this chair up. Is to get a plate, a steel plate, fitted to that. That's the only thing I can do. And then maybe cut this, all the bottom section off this. You know what angle grind? I know it's disastrous, isn't it? And move all that section onto that plate that I'm going to be putting there. I'm going to get that out now. Get this chair out, and let's have a look at it. Let's have a rate investigation. Right. As you can see, all that has to be moved onto that. Now the problem I'm having is, I don't know what the pitch is going to be like because I can't see a damn thing because it's sun. Right, I can see my finger. Right, this tube in there, I think, yeah, there, runs all the way around, everywhere. But this tubing is all part of the frame of the chair. And if I start removing all, you know, the outer skin and everything, I'm just gonna bugger up the chair, if you know what I mean. I think, well, I am. The distance from this hole to that hole is the same as them, but the length is totally different. See, as far as I know, that there is just the bolt for the, oh yeah, that is just the bolt for the swivel. I think I'll have to, what I'll do, I'll remove this top bit here and see what's happening underneath, and maybe try and see. This is, it's solid, you know what I mean? Right, let's see how we go on anyway. It's gonna work, but I'm gonna put you in the cab like that. Which clearly isn't working, is it? Oh, right, now I don't know if you can see the chairs or not. Yes, you can. In fact, if I shut the door, no bollocks to that. Come on, I'll take you out. It's warm in there, isn't it? Right, I'll just leave you there. There, let's see how we go. Right, I've managed to get all that off. It seems that we're going to be able to do it. As I say, I've got all that off, and it seems like it's just a frame, you know what I mean? But it does go into the way, because there's actually mechanisms in here. Where are we? There, look. I don't know if you can see that or not. But that has something to do with the reclining of the chair. The reclining of the chair is already fixed to this, so I should, in theory, be able to take all this crap off. Now I've found a posi drive screwdriver thing there. Posi drive screwdriver thing. It's called the posi drive screw. So I'm going to undo that on the other side. I'm only showing you this just in case anybody else wants to do something similar. I'm going to turn you off until I get this bracket off, and then I'll show you. It's getting serious. I'm going to have to get the angle grinder under the cutter. I'm going to have to cut that there, that bracket there. There's one up here. It's just a pain in the arse. There is a screwdriver there, look. But the metal is that soft. Can't get it to turn. So bollocks to it. It's getting cut off. Sweet. I don't know what made up. Oh, good that, wasn't it? Well, it looks like my phone's one tumble too many. I don't know if you can see the crack in the screen, but it's definitely there. What a bastard. But it'll make me buy a GoPro now, won't it? I got sold the phone, don't I? What a pig that were. Right, I've obviously managed to get it all off and everything, and we're just trying to come up with an idea of fixing this to this, you know what I mean? So what I've done, I've purchased some steel. It's corner bit with sections cut out, but it don't matter. Right, I managed to, I've got to cut it all off, tidy it off, bolted there at each corner, and what I'm going to do is put nuts with washers at back, put about 6 in, and same at back. If I feel that it isn't enough, which I think it is going to be, I mean, I've only got this in and it's solid, so I'm going to get another like 2 at this side, another 2 at that side, so that's 5. Yeah, what we're going to say, yeah, I'm going to try and get one here, try and bend it, once I've cut this, bend it round and get one through that corner, then it's holding them with this bad boy. Yeah, so it's tomorrow now. It's just to me about 4 or 5 hours to get them bits off. That there took forever. Right, anyway, but it's off, it's done. At least I know how to go about the other side now. Right, so like I said, tomorrow now I'm going to be cutting off these, putting the doos into strengthen them, and then put everything back together and then fit it on there and see how we go on. See what happens. Right, see you later, peeps.